Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 1/22nd program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about how to use first letter and first line pseudo element. We'll start with doctype HTML, HTML tag, head tag, style, style type equals to text slash css p first line font size 24 pixel, color blue, now p tag first letter, font size XX large, color red, now we'll end style tag, head tag, and we'll start body tag. So now we'll end p tag, body tag, and HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 1/22 with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML folder and 1/22 program. So this is our basic output of how to use first letter and first line pseudo element. And don't forget to check the text and description. And please like, share and subscribe the channel for amazing HTML videos.